Once upon a time, in a beautiful kingdom named Floralia, there lived a wise and cunning prince named Marco. Marco believed that he needed to do whatever it takes to maintain peace and stability in his kingdom, even if it meant using unconventional methods. One day, a neighboring kingdom declared war on Floralia, threatening the safety of its people. Marco knew that he needed to act swiftly to protect his realm. He devised a plan to deceive the enemy army by pretending to withdraw his troops and surrender. This would lure the enemy into a false sense of security, allowing Marco's soldiers to surprise them and win the battle. While some of his advisors were hesitant about this strategy, fearing it was dishonest, Marco believed that the end goal of protecting his kingdom was more important than the means used to achieve it. He believed in the principle that the end justifies the means. The day of the battle arrived. As expected, the enemy army confidently moved forward, thinking they had already won. However, Marco's troops emerged from their hiding places and launched a fierce counterattack. They defeated the invaders and secured peace for Floralia. Back in the kingdom, the people celebrated their victory and praised Marco for his clever plan. Although his methods were deceptive, the people understood that it was necessary for the greater good of the kingdom's safety. Marco's story teaches us that sometimes, in difficult situations, we must make tough choices and use unconventional methods to achieve a greater goal. While honesty and integrity are essential virtues, in rare occasions, an end that brings peace, stability, and safety can justify the means employed. However, it is important to remember that this principle should not be abused or used for personal gain. It should only be considered as a last resort when all other options have been exhausted, and the well-being of many is at stake.